glad it being focused, isn't it? So, what's going on, guys? We are back again with another video today. Josh sadly isn't here because he is away, so he's left me with the camera so I can keep you guys updated on what's going on with the project car, and obviously we can move on without Josh being here. It's just kind of me picking up the camera when he isn't here to obviously allow you guys to see as much of the project build as we can. We've sorted most of the stuff. You'll see hopefully a video on fixing the backlights, which was the relay. So today we'll be changing the coolant reservoir tank to a brand new clean nice one, and then we've got some really good coolant to fill up into the system now that we've sorted the coolant leak out. So I shall see you guys then. Boom. To my surprise, we have a flat tyre.
Okay.
So as you can see, the coolant tank here is all yellow. It's a bit old. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. I just feel for the money of a new one, you might as well get yourself a new one. So here we have the new one, which we assume is correct. There you go. As you can see, a brand new one, looking nice and white compared to the yellow one here. So that's what we're going to be fitting today. I have absolutely no idea on how to fit it. I assume it's just a straight swap. It's just the tank, but I haven't seen anything online, so I assume it's that simple. So without further ado, let's install it. Just in there, you can see that nipple with like a little bit coming out the bottom. That part's where you drain your coolant from the lower part of your radiator. So that's where we're going to get all the coolant out to obviously start changing the reservoir. Make sure if you're doing this after you've had your car on or you've been driving, make sure you let the coolant cool down because it's pressurized and extremely hot. So just be careful when doing that. So we're going to start off by unplugging all the things that are connected to it, if we find a way. Maybe the whole thing comes off.
One eternity later.
There's 2 bolts here now, which I assume are Phillips head. They've not been moved in a while. Not going to lose them in the engine bay. There's one. Feed this home. 2 bolts out. Now this bit comes out. So we have one more pipe here at the bottom, which we need the pliers for again. And this is hard. There we go. Now we just move the clamp down. Oh, like so. Yeah. 1 second. Boom.
Big shock.
So that's it, guys. That's the old reservoir tank. We're going to compare it to the new one. It is right here. Jeez. So we'll get the new one put in now. I'll start off by getting this pipe in. The bottom one that was holding the main supply. Up here. Get our pliers. Definitely a 2-man job here. There we go. So that's on nice and tight. Give it a yank. Yeah, it's not coming off. So that was the hardest bit. Now we want to reattach the tank like so. Push that in here. We're gonna reattach it on these screws first. These two back into their holders to keep the engine bay nice and clean. While we're at it, we can pop this one back in. Give it a wiggle and guidance. You're on nice and well. Make sure everything's on properly. Nice and tight. Point proven. There we go, there's the click. We're on nice and tight. And that's it, guys. That's the coolant tank change. It's looking nice and white now. The old yellow one is out and about. So what we're gonna do now is take our new antifreeze and coolant. But before we do that, I'm gonna make sure that our valve down here that we let all the coolant back is closed. So then obviously here we have some concentrated antifreeze and summer coolant, which is not what we're going for. Right, you probably can't see it there, but there's protection for up to -20 degrees or 30, which we're never going to get up to in the UK, so it's perfectly fine. We've got 2 bottles of this, weren't too expensive, £5 a bottle. Make sure you are stocking up. Obviously you don't get the summer coolant as long as it's well diluted. So with this, 2 bottles of antifreeze and then top up the rest with water, so it should be about 2 bottles of antifreeze and 2 bottles of water. Ryan's now going to kneel down and have a look if we're leaking any coolant from the drain cap, since it is it's a part that sometimes does fail.
Nope.
Are we all good?
All good, mate.
As you can see, we're on the maximum there, but we need to wait for that to go down, fill it up again, and then obviously start the car and let it start circulating. So once I pour the rest of this in, I'll check back in with you guys. Engine's running nice and smoothly. That rhymed. We've got the coolant just going down, bleeding in the system. These engines are actually made so the system bleeds itself. There's no actual physical bleed. All you do is leave the cap open for a bit, and as the coolant goes down the system, all the air comes up to the top here. So that's about it. Obviously we changed the coolant, changed that. You've seen obviously what happened with the tyre. So I think that's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and I shall see you in my video. As Josh would say, that was mine and Ryan's POV. Peace out, guys.
Say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane. I could be your escape.
We're okay. We're recording.
Yes.
One. Boy Matty. So guys, we've had the new tyre put on, looking nice and fresh. Budget obviously, because you know this car's only on budget. Before the comment section is filled with people telling me that I need to change both side tyres at the same time because of Haldex, I understand. However, both of the tyres are pretty much brand new, so the tread on that is pretty much no different, maybe ½ millimetre less than the other side. So we're all good. No hating comments please, thank you. So we're going to pop the tyre on now, when I manage to get the spare off, get the new tyre on, then we're going to head out to Loughborough to Euro Car Parts to get our...
Could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no time, no